Good morning, dear student. Jai Gurudev to you all. Student, today we will do exercise and question answer of chapter 5 plant parts and their function. See, dear student, this is plant. Plant parts are broadly classified into two types. The part which is present under the ground, that is root system, and the part of the plant which is present above the ground, it is shoot system. Okay. Now see, dear student, these roots are two types. One is considered as taproot and other one is considered as fibrous root. This is image of taproot. It is having one main roots and many branches are arises from it, which is known as lateral or the side root. These taproot, dear student, found in case of the beetroot, turnip, radish, carrot, in mango tree also. Okay. Now see, another type of root, it is a fibrous root. When many roots are producing from the same place, okay, they are considered as fibrous root, and it is found in grasses, wheat, rice, etc. Third type of root, dear student, it is the aerial roots. These roots, dear student, are produced from the branches and hang on the air. It is found in case of the banyan tree. Next type of root, dear student, that is the aerial root. These roots, dear student, grow above the soils and they are found in mangrove plant. Now student, we will revise root system. Dear student, the part of the plant which is present above the ground, it is considered as root system. Different root system parts are, first one is a stem. Dear student, stems play a crucial role in conduction of the water and minerals from root to the leaves. They also transport prepared food from leaves to different part of the plant. They help plant in standing upright. Okay. They provide us timbers. Okay. The stem of many plant like jute plant use for making the different kind of the fabric, etc. Dear student. Dear student, on the basis of the stem, plants are classified into 5 types, and these 5 types are tree, shrubs, herbs, climber and creeper. In case of tree, dear student, stem part are thick and woody. In case of the shrubs, they are thin but woody. In case of herbs, the stem are soft and green. Climbers and creeper also, dear student, they are having a soft green stems. Okay. Now next structure is leaf. See, this is a leaf. Leaves are considered as kitchen of the plant. They prepare the food for the plant by the process which is known as the photosynthesis. Dear student, green leaves possesses the chlorophyll pigment. These chlorophyll pigment trap solar radiation and prepare food for the plant. In this process, they convert carbon dioxide and water in the form of the glucose and release oxygen, dear student. Dear student, leaves are having many small pores on it, which is known as stomata. These stomata, dear student, help in exchange of gases, that is intake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and it also play a crucial role in release of oxygen gas. The student, stomata pores also help in maintaining the rate of transpiration in plant. Okay. Now see, dear student, next part of the plants are flowers, fruit and the seeds. The student, the flower are most colorful and beautiful part of the plant. Okay, they bear seed and they help in germination, or we can say that the production of new plants. Fruits, dear student, it is produced from the flowers. When they are ripened, that time seeds are released from it, and these seeds produce new tree. Seeds, dear student, it is present inside the fruit. In many cases it is one in number, but in many fruits their number is more than one. Okay, dear student, these seed bear a baby plant inside it. Under suitable condition, dear student, temperature, humidity, warmness, these seeds germinate in the soil and produce a plant. Now we will do stretch a while. Open page number 32. Stretch a while. Complete the following chart part of a plant. Yes, see, plant parts are two types. One is root and other one is shoot. Root are two types. One is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. And shoot part, dear student, it consider of the leaf, bud, branches, flower, fruit and stems. Okay. Now see, forest area. Dear student, forest department protect the trees. Trees are very important for us. They provide us life supporting gas, which is known as the oxygen. They provide us timbers. They help in controlling the soil erosion. They give us edible products like different kind of the fruits, nuts, spices, then medicinal product, etc. Dear student, government and the local bodies who are staying in these forests are considered as the stakeholder of the forest, means they are having right on the product which is produced in the forest, like different kind of the nuts, fruit, etc., dry wooden pieces which is fallen down from the tree, etc. Dear student, government initiate many program to promote afforestation in our country. Student, I think now we quickly revise this chapter. Now you able to solve exercise question answer with me. Okay. Now open page number 34. See, I will send PDF of this chapter to you, but first we quickly discuss it. Write the function of the step. Dear student, function of stem is to conduct water and minerals from root to leaves. Second, it help plant to stand upright. Third, it prepare food from leaves to different part of the plant. These are different function, dear student, which is performed by stem. Other than this, they also provide us food. Next, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, dear student, it is a green color pigment present on the leaves. Okay, how is it helpful for plant? It is helpful for plant because they trap solar radiation and help in the process of making food by the plant, that is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Next question. Yes. Dear student, photosynthesis is a process by which plant prepare their food. In this process, dear student, they are using carbon dioxide and water molecule, and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they convert it in the form of glucose and produce oxygen. Okay. Next, what is difference between the taproot and the fibrous roots? Taproot is having one main root, but in fibrous root it is absent. Taproot move deep inside the soil, but fibrous root found in top layer of the soil. Okay, these are two major difference between taproot and fibrous root. Third one is example. Taproot is found in case of the beetroot, carrot, radish, whereas fibrous root is found in grasses, wheat, rice, etc. Next question, dear student, what is major function of mangrove root system? Dear student, mangrove root system, mangrove plant actually found in saline areas, okay, like the deltas of Bay of Bengals. They grow above the soil, dear student. The root system of mangrove plant are found above the soil, and they breathe in air from the atmosphere. Okay, next, who look after the trees and the plants in cities and the villages? In cities and the villages, in cities municipal corporation will take care of the plant. In villages, panchayats are taking care of the plants, dear student. Okay, other than this, the local people are also having rights to look after the plant found in their areas. Student, I think everybody understand this. Now we will do exercise in next video, dear student.